the middle of a snowstorm, it's important that you are able to see, but it's more important to be seen. One of the ways to do that is to make sure that your headlights and your taillights are clean. Now, it's very simple. All you have to do is take a mixture of either Windex, water, de-icer, and clean your headlights before a major storm. One of the other things that you need to do is also make sure that your lights are actually working. Now, if you have a friend, they can basically stand in front of the car. You can operate your lights and your tail lights. They can tell you, yes, the blinker doesn't work, the rear tail light is out. But if you're by yourself, one of the easiest ways to do it is simply face a garage door or a wall, turn your lights on, and you are able to see which light is not working. You can do the same thing with your rear tail lights. Just turn the car around, back it up, apply the brakes. You can see if the lights are blinking, if your tinkers are working. It's very, very important that these are working during a snowstorm because the other motorists just won't know what you're doing.